Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft black screen after launching. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your NVIDIA app or AMD Adrenaline. Or if you have Intel, open up the corresponding application. Okay. So what we'll do in here is just basically update our graphics card or graphics card drivers. Maybe the problem is within the updates. So go ahead and go to drivers right here. Wait for it to load. And if there is an available update, go ahead and download the update. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, go ahead and check Minecraft and see if it helps. If that will work, your mods might be causing the problems. Okay. So you might want to delete your mods first and try to play Minecraft and see if it helps. If you don't know how to locate your mods, just go ahead over to any of your Minecraft games right here, click on installations, and you will have a list of mods in here. Now, what you'll do is just hover over one and click on open installation folder, and you will be able to see a ton of mods. Okay. So just basically delete the latest mod that you have installed. Okay. Or you can go ahead and move all of your mods folders to a separate drive and then check if it helps. And once that's done, you can install the mods one by one. Okay. And if a mod caused a problem, well, just don't install it. That's basically it. That's how you fix Minecraft if it gives you a black screen after launching. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.